Hello, and welcome to the Iowa Reading Research Center website. Today I'm going to briefly talk to you about MOTR-Cycle, our new application interested in fidelity of intervention. Now, fidelity of intervention refers to the degree to which instructional practices, in this case, opportunities to respond, are implemented as intended. Importantly, when we're trying to figure that out and collaborate with educators, data plays a foundational role in that. And that led to our development and research of MOTR-Cycle. MOTR-Cycle is a brief, tiny application that will allow you to collect data on opportunities to respond. Let's do a quick overview of what this application looks like. So here we have just the brief title. We have a timer here on the left. We have rate that automatically calculates here in the middle, so you won't have to do anything here. There's a counter with count buttons right here. We also have a space for you to log on what types of response modalities you're seeing. In other words, how are students responding? And then also the number of students responding in a lesson, whether it's individual, small group, or whole. So let's try this out. So here, as soon as you open this up, you're going to observe perhaps an instructor implementing opportunities to respond. We're going to start a timer now. So this timer is going to automatically start to count up. And then over here on the right is every time we see an opportunity to respond, we can click on the counter. So notice is that as soon as we see an opportunity to respond, the numbers in the count area change, but then also the rate automatically calculates. So while that's going on, the timer's counting up. And then if we see another opportunity to respond, we can click again. Let's say we see another one, click again. So notice here we have 30 seconds have already gone by. We have perhaps counted 5 opportunities to respond, and that would equal a rate of 10 OTRs, or opportunities to respond, per minute. Down here is we can also log on, how were students responding? Perhaps we saw many oral responses, and maybe that was about it, but maybe we saw some students providing written responses too. And then we can also log on notes on how many students were responded. Perhaps this instructor was doing whole group unison responding. So let's say if we have this, we could click submit. And what that is going to do is it's going to generate an output file, a CSV file that can be opened in different applications such as Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, and that will have the data that we collected there. So it has the rate of 10, the types of response modalities that we inputted, and then also number of students responding. This is our MOTR-Cycle application. Be sure to check our accompanying posts related to opportunities to respond on our website. In addition, soon we have releasing a larger suite interested in fidelity of intervention called Measure First. So be sure to check out our website. Thank you.